Alright everybody, we are back. So we did Sage. What is it? Ascension 8? Or no, we're on Ascension 7. No, 8. Amount of lose decrease. Okay, I wonder what that even means. What is it? Maybe 2 cards instead of 3 to pick from? I guess we'll find out. But other than that, we had a good Ascension 7 run last time. It was really good, actually. I had a pretty decent deck. But I guess we'll keep it going and see how it goes. Oh, this is actually not a bad one to have. Looks like we're going for a mana overflow build. As usual. Sometimes it doesn't always work out. Or it doesn't go as smoothly, I should say. It seems like every time I do it, it works out. So, why don't we go... I'm thinking we can finagle it. Yeah, we'll come down this way, hit this upgrade, come up here. Yeah, that sounds good. Alright, it's also very early in the morning for me, and I had quite a rough sleep, so I am tired. But should still be able to get the job done, no problem here. It all kind of makes sense. If this would deal 8, I cannot believe I hit it. I can't believe it did 8. Alright, let's do the Discover. I mean, draw is great, but it doesn't really help us right now. Although I guess it would in the future, but whatever. We'll do it this way. I only have one new card, and it being upgraded isn't great. I mean, it adds a miracle. I'd rather have the crossbow be free. And let's continue this way, and then I think we're gonna go up yonder, if you will. Brainstorm. Okay, he doesn't have anything about casting. 2 crossbows. Seems like a good play in this particular moment. Let's make sure his evasion goes away. Just at least a little bit. He's gonna do 4. I guess we'll use this now just to do it. Oh, does this relic? Hold on. That was kind of a waste of it. Does this... Yeah, I can exceed the required amount. Time passing does it too. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it did that. Okay, well, 5 damage. He's done. Let's get going here. I mean, Smoker's always good for block. That way I can cut a block. Scavenge, I mean... Let's do Unstable Portal. It gives us a card that usually does something pretty good for us. I love that I got it right away, too. Let's see. Coup de grace is alright. It's just only to 1. Can't really use Recoilless rifle right now. Bucket of lava. How about bucket of lava on you? So he'll burn for 8 at the end of his turn. Right? I don't have any other way to attack the guy, so they're just gonna have some block, I guess. Damn, 6 was a bad roll there. And I'm gonna take 8 damage here. I mean, his paper skin could be useful. This one, okay. That's exactly what I needed. Now, brainstorm cards are never usually free. Let's see. Oh, you are done. You're done. And you're done. Maneuver's a good card. Let's do that one. I guess maybe upgrade it. I think upgraded it gets rid of... I shouldn't have went this way. No, it's fine. Upgraded maneuver makes the limited part go away, but this makes this free, so that's better. Is there a way for me to... Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. No other shop afterwards, though. I guess I could double down this way. Alright, what's our relic here? The end of action, add 2 random mana. When resolving a card's check keyword. I guess. I don't know. I feel like it might bite me in the ass, you know? Damn, no. I mean, I'll take a little bit, I guess. Wow, I can't believe they're not getting any focus stuff. I guess we'll do... This seems kind of silly to do right now. This will kill them. We'll use maneuver, get 2 more cards. We'll keep 2 on top of the draw. These 2, I guess. This one keeps anyway, so picking that would have been really stupid. It's fine, that's fine, no big deal. I mean, okay, well, it can just be ended right now. See what we get with this, though. So now I can use it. Let's... Yeah, crossbow reload, recoilless rifle. Not bad. Oh man, I got a sneeze coming. I think Divergent Thinking is cool, but I do have a relic that pretty much does that as well. Plan B is a good card when it's upgraded. Let's do Divergent Thinking, I guess. Alright. Okay, we're kind of going through it, so we're not doing too bad here. Oh man, not these dudes. After casting any card. Okay, well you gotta not have that happen. Let's bring in Unstable Portal for a free card. Honestly, what do I get with you? I don't know. Let's do this one, I guess. But one of you's gotta go. It's not enough to kill you. $24, he's gonna do... Yeah, we don't want any damage, so... Yeah, you hate to lose that card. Should have probably just let Brainstorm go. Like, wait for it to come back through. Dude pulled the only good card. I can't believe I got it back. Oh wait, no, we don't want to do that. I'm sure, just that one. I have to pick 2, okay. More than one limited. Son of a gun. Oh man, these geese, man, they just always... I mean, it's over now for him. Well, where am I going? Because I'm wanting to reload this crossbow. I guess not. Oh well. Guess I'll have to just deal with it. Yeah, F it. Just get this over with. It looks hilarious to be shooting a goose with that. I don't... Well, I mean, I do generate one temporary card. Well, two, actually. So this could help. I might even just upgrade it, too, because... this one upgraded gets rid of the limited one as well. Upgrading this will give me those 2 free junk cards that will almost immediately help it. I would like this limited thing to be gone from these. I'm kind of sick of that happening. Alright, that's good. Alright. And then when I come down this way... Although, that's a lot of battling. I'm already almost at half HP. I'm either getting... Okay, let's see what this does. Oh, come on. And I got 1 gold. That could have really, really helped if it would have worked. That's why I wish this applied to it, but I guess it would be kind of broken. Organ gun? Are we doing an organ gun run right now? Organ gun run. What are these? Getting no more panic is good. For a later fight on floor 2. That's crazy. I do like a stockpile. Honestly, like, it's these two. I don't know why. I feel like when I get panic cards, it's pretty frustrating. Yeah, this is the path. Man, no distorted. Or no, what you call it. I guess this will do it. It'll give me some cards here. So that'll do a little damage to you. He's got a little vulnerable. Do this. Passed his vulnerability check. I love that. Ah. Unstable portal. Here we go. Something good. Well, this should actually, since it does the card, it like activates the card 4 times. It should activate this 4 times as well. Which is fantastic. So this should hopefully... Oh no, it didn't do it. It didn't do what I thought it was going to do. Oh man, my nose is super runny too. I could possibly draw a stockpile, I suppose. Let's do it. I did. Oh, but I don't want to... Yeah, I don't want to do that. What would I want to come next time around? Nothing really. I mean, I guess we'll just do these 2. Because I'm planning on using... Well, actually, I think this would be better to be drawn next time. Along with this, because we're going to do some weird... He's not doing any damage, so let's do this. So we have that. And we just hit him with all these. Alright. So we'll get to keep this one, it'll become a miracle. He's not doing any damage. And I should get Brainstorm, and I think we're set up. Oh yeah, we're definitely set up on this one for sure. Use this one. Perfect. That's actually insane. I mean, this gains block as a miracle, but let's just do this again, dude. I got a ton of. This is kind of what I was hoping for. Some big damage. Yeah, we'll still be able to do either one. Crazy, dude. And this will kill him, but I don't really want that. Well, otherwise he's just gonna do a bunch of damage to me. I hate leaving a battle with an unloaded crossbow. And I'm not in the business of taking 12 damage. It's gotta be a revolver. And I think upgraded it doesn't, it's like barely useful after an upgrade. Oh, it becomes way easier to use. What am I talking about? Stockpile getting keep is pretty cool. Let's do, it has to be this. Now, I just need a way to generate luck. And I could use a tactical reload. We're gonna cut a strike. I guess it should be a purple one because we don't need purple right now. Okay, one more battle. It's kind of tough coming through here on such low HP like this, but get rid of this, use this. This will give me some to work with. Battle of Wits. Oh man. This is beautiful. Getting maneuver right now is actually pretty sick. And let's do this. Let's use maneuver. I guess let's put... This became a miracle, so I pretty much have to use it. I can't play more than one limited card. I'm sorry. Maneuver is not a limited card. Which card? Oh, wait, which card did I play that was limited? What? Oh, the small rock. Come on, dude. That's pretty frustrating. Well, I could use this, I guess. It does pretty good damage. And then, like I said, I'm not really in the business of taking damage. Too much damage. And I'll be able to put up enough block to stop it. Or I could just tank the 2 damage. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll be able to crush him. I mean, he's gonna gain D8 block. He got 1 out of it, so he's got 4. Crossbow reload showing up is wonderful. This should do it. I shouldn't have done that because now it's 1 less ammo. I should have just used the other thing. Damn, another brainstorm. Just to generate more temporary. Maneuver. I don't have Battle of Wits as an actual card. I was gonna say the maneuver could really help with Battle of Wits, but. Isn't there an upgrade? No. This limited keyword is kind of cheesing me off, so we'll just do brainstorm. All right. I say we charge the die. That's good. Take a short rest. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. Stockpile. Might be worth a use right now. Just so we could keep divergent thinking. We don't want any of that to occur. 6? It's just enough. Maneuver? Yeah, we... This one and this one are good. We end turn, we keep brainstorm and divergent thinking. Okay. Okay. It's a limited card. And that's okay. We're gonna do unstable portal. D3? Alright, rolled a 3? Come on now. Recoilless rifle again. I mean, it's a good card, man. Unfortunately, I won't be able to really use it. Tactical reload? Damn. I can't use it. But I have one of these left, one horde left. Battle of Wits. Kicking 3. So if I use this one... I'm trying to piece this out. I have one of these, so I would keep tactical reload. This better not. Let's just put up block, man. Let's put up 2 block. That'll help a lot. And it should shuffle the whole deck. Perfect. And, okay, this is good. I can use this now. It's gonna draw the revolver with a bunch of loaded ammo. I wish I had some way to get luck, man. Okay. We will do... this. And this. Oh, this probably helped a lot with that check. Nice. That was pretty good. I don't like having a bunch of vulnerable, though. Man, this is kind of a bummer. I have none of these cards really do that much for me. But I guess I might be out of... Oh my god. Oh, I need to reload it, right. Oh, and it's too bad I can't use it. With luck. That's crazy, actually. I didn't realize it had the rebound on it. I got some luck here, so hopefully... I only got 3 with the luck. What is this guy called? Apothecary. It's like, why does he keep throwing stuff at me? Well, this ain't gonna do it. But this is gonna do it. Not bad, not bad. Vicious Mockery, yeah, it's obviously Vicious Mockery. Because Tekken Lance, although it's really good, I don't think I have a lot of... I think I have 2 Miracle potentials in my deck right now. Which would be, yeah, Divergent Thinking and this one. Now, I could just get more, I suppose. But this Vicious Mockery card is way easier to pilot. Whoa, all of these are rare, wow. Get 99 gold, oh my goodness. All mana you gain will be void. I think they call that void mana. That's pretty awesome because whenever excuse me, whenever a card comes through like Divergent Thinking where I add a bunch of mana to it, it'll add, instead of it being random, it should only be void mana. When reshuffling cards from the discard pile into the draw pile, increase mana pool. Damn, that's a good one too. I think this is probably better. Well, no, it's not. Because sometimes I like this Divergent Thinking when it gives you random mana. Sometimes that could be extremely helpful. I guess what I should do is just do this one. Man, that's a lot of gold, dude. Reshuffling, I mean, this can happen as many times. There's no limited amount, you know, for this to happen. This is a tough one. These are all very good. I mean, this one obviously... I mean, this is all good. I could do upgrades and card cutting both times. I don't really need the pull. I think we'll just do the money. It's just easier to think about, I guess. One time per turn. I mean, how long does temporary power last? At the end of the turn, okay. Each 3 health bar gain evasion. I mean, D20 evasion could do wonders. But 3 enemy, some enemies only have 3 health bars, you know. I guess we'll do Sharpening Stone. It's a little easier to deal with. And power is great to have. It's good to have it. Well, that was an easy floor one. I mean, it got a little dicey at the end. Dicey. I guess that joke will probably never get old. But, yeah, it wasn't too bad. I don't really know how thrilled I am with our deck here. I mean, two brainstorms and 1 unstable portal that's also free. Like, these are all just good to use immediately as long as you got the mana, because they end up giving some good cards. I mean, this one's just a blue card, so it could be like it's a crossbow or something, you know. Stockpile is one that shows up too, which is good because it turns it into a miracle right away. But yeah, it's not too bad, honestly. I think this is good. I forgot. I actually literally just a couple minutes ago. But this is a good card for sure. But I think that's good. I think we just got to worry about getting draw now so that we can enable this a little better as well. Yeah, and Revolver's a good card too, actually. As long as I got a bit of luck on my side. I mean, it pretty much will probably always work because if there's remaining to check 8 out of a D20, it's like a guaranteed because of my relics. This adds 8 no matter what, so I'm always going to pass this check. So if I'm understanding that correctly. So that's not bad, but that was pretty good. Good floor 1. Kind of went through it pretty quick too, which is nice, but we will tackle this floor 2 on the second or on the next time. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you the next time. Cheers.